Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Tell us a morning, Fizz. Hey.
Morning.
You guys, the road trip has come on. The road trip has begun. Sun is in my eyes. We are on our way to see the fam bam for Christmas. So we'll be away for 1, 2, 3, 4 days, kinda sorta ish, 4.5, 3.5, something thereabout. Guys, excited. He'll get to spend all the days with Joel and play, so he'll have somebody to play with for the next few days, and he'll get to see grandma, grandpa, aunties, uncle, cousins. So this trip is literally for Tyler, really. It's always for Tyler and nobody else. But in the same time, we are going to enjoy the moment, and it's Christmas time, so why not just have fun and be around family. That's what it's all about, giving and just celebrating good times. So yeah, we are on our way. 2.5 hours drive before we get to our destination, so it's going to be a rough ride, but gotta do what we gotta do. We'll get there. Yeah, we'll have to do some stuff, but we're gonna do some stuff along the way, and we're gonna stop and get lunch and stuff like that. So we'll be all right. We'll get there, and of course we're gonna try and take you guys along with us all these days to see what we're gonna do and all the adventures, all the people that we're gonna see. I don't think we're gonna go on any adventure, but this in itself is an adventure, really. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day, and hopefully you guys enjoyed Christmas. Tyler enjoyed Christmas. Tyler, you want to tell the face what you got for Christmas? What you got?
So I got kitchen.
You got Play-Doh set, and you got kitchen.
Yeah.
And what else? What's in your hand?
Dinosaur.
You got lots and lots of dinosaur.
Yeah, a T-Rex.
I got a T-Rex, and what else you got? And you got a what?
A pterodactyl.
What is it?
What you got, Tyler?
A pterodactyl.
Something doctor?
A pterodactyl.
What is?
Yeah, hot in the sky.
Oh, that's the name of one of the dinosaur. Oh, okay, I didn't know the name, so I couldn't understand what you were saying. Okay, baby, I understand now. I got it. So you like all your gifts, and you also got some Dragon Ball Z, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's so excited about everything that he got. And you got a pretty blanket from Grandma with all your pictures on it. Yeah. Say thank you, Grandma. Anyway, you guys, we're on this road trip, and we'll catch you guys at some point throughout our day. Hey guys, my bun is lean because I was laying down. You guys, we have got to our destination. We reached the brother-in-law, and we're actually heading out to go to town to see, I think, a little light show or something like that, just for the kids. Babies around there disciplining Tyler because he picked up a naughty word since he got here, and he keeps saying it, so he needs to cut it out. Anyway, I'm having a slight headache, but I want to get out so I can get some fresh air, and so Tyler can really enjoy his little time here. So we are actually heading out right now. Baby helping Tyler putting on his shoes. The drive here wasn't easy, but we got here. That's all that matters. Anyway, you guys, we're heading into town, and of course I'm gonna try and show you all the beauty of this Christmas night, what's happening in this city. So let's see what I can show you guys. Let's go.
Un pingouin.
Là, c'est pas un pingouin. Mais si.
Si, C'est un pingouin.
Thailand, his uncle. He don't want to do anything to do with me.
I always like this type of slide.
Stop.
I always like this type of
The running?
yeah. I always find that.
You guys, look at these delicacies. My brother-in-law girlfriend make these. This is her store. Look at that. Look at these creations. She's so darn talented.
C'est quoi? C'est
Qui fait caca des
Du coup, on fait quoi?
numéro 6.
Non.
Pourquoi? À manger? À manger? Numéro 6 à table.
Voilà.
Tu dis 40, Google, c'est quoi? Google, il est très con.
And if you guys wondering, this is the name of her store. Make me a cake. And that's a number. So beautiful. Okay, so we're in town and there's things going on here that the kids can see. Yeah, but it's a fake one. Oh no, it's not fake. It's not fake. I thought this animal was fake, but it's actually not fake. It looks just standing there, not moving. I don't even know what animal is that. Hey, look!
Wow!
Taylor, what is that? Yeah. Yeah, see, you wanna go see?
Whoa!
Lift him up so you can see. Lift him up so you can see. Taylor, look! Taylor, look there! Look there! You see the goat? That's a... Whoa! He's eating. You see the horse? Yeah. Tyler, look. Yeah. What's that? What's that, Ty? That's goat.
And the baby one.
Yeah. You see him? Wow. You want to see more animals? Look at Tonton. Tell her he's coming. Tell her he's coming. No running. No running. Oh, see here? It's a dragon. What's that, Ty? Yeah, it's big.
Seb, après je pourrais m'asseoir. Regarde ça, dragon.
Et oui.
Very. I don't know. All right. This is so pretty. It goes all the way down.
Et oui.
so tired, but it's expected. Whenever we're in this city, it's just going at it non-stop. We just got back off the road. Everybody got food. The kids got McDonald's. I got what is called kebab. I didn't even get to show you guys because I was so hungry. I just ate half of it right away. I have another half for it for later. But right now, this headache of mine is not going away. So I leave the family downstairs and I'm gonna get some rest right now. So I'm leaving everybody. Hopefully you guys enjoy your little vlog and have a good day. And if it's your first time to our channel, please subscribe. You know that when we are out like this, then you guys won't get the original expression and shout outs and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna end it here for tonight, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow in yet another fun vlog. We'll be on the road, of course. We'll be with more family and friends. Let's see which family will be in the vlog tomorrow, who you guys will get to meet. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, catch up and keep up. Love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tyler is up somewhere playing with his cousin. Baby's downstairs chit-chatting as usual, and I'm going